In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert footnotes to endnotes in Microsoft Word. If you're working on a report, essay, or manuscript, there may come a point when you decide that endnotes make more sense than footnotes. Footnotes appear at the bottom of each page, while endnotes are collected together at the end of the document or section. Changing from one to the other can make your document look cleaner and can also help match formatting requirements for school, publishing, or workplace standards. The good news is that Word has a built-in option that makes this process quick and easy. To get started, open your Word document and go to the References tab at the top of the screen. This is where Word keeps all the tools related to citations, footnotes, endnotes, tables of contents, and other reference features. Once you're on the References tab, look for the Footnotes section in the ribbon. In that Footnotes section, you'll see a small arrow in the bottom right corner. This is called the dialog box launcher. It opens a more detailed settings window with additional options that aren't immediately visible in the main ribbon. Click that small arrow to open the footnote and endnote settings dialog box. When that window appears, look for the convert button and click it. This opens the conversion options, which let you decide exactly how you want Word to handle your notes. Since the goal here is to change every footnote in the document into an endnote, choose the option labeled Convert All Footnotes to Endnotes. After selecting that option, click OK to confirm the change. Word will automatically update the notes throughout your document. Once the conversion is complete, you can close the dialog box. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly scroll through your document and check the result. You should see that the notes no longer appear at the bottom of individual pages and are now gathered as endnotes instead. This can be especially helpful before final formatting or submission because it lets you confirm that everything has been converted the way you expected. That's all it takes to convert footnotes to endnotes in Word. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and help you format your document